Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at grouped frequency tables. In this question, we are asked to find out which score was achieved exactly 3 times. So the exactly 3 times, that tells me how many times it's happened, and that's what we mean by frequency. So the score 0 happened 8 times, 1, 8, 2, 6 times, 3, 5 times, and the score of 4 happened exactly 3 times. So the score that happened exactly 3 times was 4. In this next question, we are asked to find between which pair of numbers does the upper quartile lie. Now the upper quartile, remember this comes back to the idea of dividing a set of numbers into 4 equal parts. Okay, so if I have a set of numbers here, well, if I divide it into 2, then 50% of the data is in this box, and 50% of the data is in this box. So if I'm dividing it into 4 parts, quartiles, I've got 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. The upper quartile is going to be this space here. Okay, so it's asking me, right, what is this number? The marker of my upper quartile, it begins here. So I've got my lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. This is the min, and this is the max, for completeness sake. So what I'm going to have to do is determine how many numbers are there, right? And that is 9 plus 7. I'm looking at my frequencies here. How many times did I record data? And that is equal to 32. So what is 75% of 32? Right, what's that upper quartile number going to be? What's going to be the 24th data point? If we're going from min to max, the 24th data point. So which number is that? Well, at this point, I just need to count things up. Right, so 9 plus 7 is going to be 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So I know that all of these numbers here, right, because they add up to 22, that's going to be below, right, let's get a little line here. Right, so if this is my upper quartile, I'm looking for the 24th, then all of those numbers between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, they are below that. They're here at 22. That's where they stop. So that means, right, that our upper quartile is going to be somewhere in this space here. Well, if I take 32 and I minus 5, right, well, that's going to take me to 27. And so what I find is, in this space here, right between 3 and 4, is where my upper quartile is going to lie. Right, because if I'm 5 below, so 27, well, that's within the upper quartile, but it's not marking the upper quartile. Right, the 24th data point, that's going to exist between 3 and 4 centimeters. Remember, this is the number that marks the upper quartile and not the whole upper quartile itself. That's what we're referring to.